So, today in the first episode, I'll be talking about our first nuskha, which is of water. Yes, water is one of the most important elements in the whole plant care. I'm sure all of you are watering your plants. To give you some science about it, usually water has a lot of TDS in it, right? इसलिए हम लोग ने RO लगा रखा हुआ है अपने घरों में, which reduces the RO levels. So today I have these 3 samples of cups of water. In this, one of it is the society tap water I have. The second I have taken is the RO water. And third is the water which I give to my plants these days, which is from the ACs which comes in. And we'll check what's the TDS level in each of them. Let's quickly see for us to give you some idea. So that's my TDS meter. It's available easily on the Amazon stores. You can buy it if you want. It's very cheap for 200 to 300 rupees and usually accurate. So alright, let's go and see कि हमारे पानी में how much is the TDS. So पहले मैं जो है अपने रेन वाटर में जो मैं दे रहा हूं उसके बारे में बताता हूं. इसका TDS है 20. फिर से ऑन ऑफ कर लेता हूं मैं इसे. अभी देखते हैं कि आरओ में कितना होता है. आरओ में निकला 133. नॉट बैड. अब आते हैं कि सोसाइटी में हमारे कितना TDS है टैप वाटर में. एंड आई थिंक ये मैं ATS में रहता हूँ. आई थिंक नोएडा की सारी सोसाइटीज में द वाटर लेवल, द वाटर कंटेंट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. एंड इफ यू लुक एट अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, यूजुअली आई मीन एटलीस्ट फॉर इंडिया द TDS विल बी यूजुअली हाई. But how much? Let's check it. So, मेरे मीटर में रीडिंग ही नहीं आ पा रही थी. इसमें दिखा रहा है 216 into 10, मतलब कि 2160 ppm is the TDS in the tap water which we are having. To give you some idea, this is approximately 30, this is approximately at 100, and this is approximately at 2000. This water, so technologically when we grow our plants, we make sure that the TDS in our water will always be at 0. A lot of people come and say कि TDS ना 400-500 होना चाहिए. But when we grow our plant, we say that we give the neutral water around. And whatever you want to give food to the plants, you should put it extra. इसको इजी लैंग्वेज में आप लोग को समझाता हूँ. सो प्लांट्स को मिनरल्स चाहिए होते हैं ग्रो करने के लिए. NPK चाहिए होता है, नाइट्रोजन, पोटैश एक्सेट्रा. फाइबर्स चाहिए होते हैं, जैसे हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटीन्स चाहिए, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स चाहिए, वैसे प्लांट्स को भी ग्रो करने के लिए मिनरल्स चाहिए होते हैं. पानी में वो मिनरल्स होते हैं. इसीलिए कई बार जो नॉर्मल गार्डनर्स हैं वो कहते हैं कि TDS भाई 500 है तो अच्छा है. बट व्हेन वी ग्रो आवर प्लांट्स वी से दैट वी शुड नॉट हैव एनी TDS. Reason being, we don't know what type of a TDS you are in. So let's say आप अगर नोएडा में हैं और नोएडा फैक्ट्रीज में से लेड और मर्करी आ रहा है, so your TDS, your minerals उसके अंदर लेड और मर्करी भी होंगे, which is very harmful. So that's why to get the best results, we make sure that our TDS in our water when we grow our plants at Nurturing Green, in our warehouses and in our farms, we make sure that the TDS always should remain at approximately 0 or near to be 0. So अगर आपके पास ACs चल रहे हैं आजकल, so use the AC water. I get usually 30 to 35 liters daily from all the ACs of our house, and I use it for watering it. It's very good because I'm sure that whatever water I'm giving, the TDS is nothing, and then I put my plant food in it. Never use this tap water. The TDS there is 2000 plus. At 500, the plants sort of don't like it. At 1000, there might be chances that it might get different types of minerals. Above thousands, it's never recommended. Even in the STP water, when it comes out, uska treatment होके, the TDS which is allowable by the government is at max is 1000. At 2000, imagine in our society if that's the levels, it will be in your societies also. So just make sure that you don't put the tap water in all the plants, because the chances are that your plants are not growing because उसमें जो पानी या जो minerals आ रहे थे वो उसे वो नहीं चाहिए था. So always use either the RO water or the water from your ACs, at least these days in summers. So that's my Annu Ke Nuskhe episode 1 on what type of a water you should have. In case you have a query about your water or don't have the TDS meter or want to check what's the pH level of your soil, just put your comments there below and we'll come back to you for the samples. And since we are starting the series, for the first 100 queries, we'll get you the free sampling done, which means we'll send you the free reports and we'll give you the free advice. So in case your plant is not doing right or you're not sure if you're putting the right water and the plant food in it, just send your samples to our address, put a query below and we'll reach out to you to get the samples from it and get you the right report. Alright guys, that's my Annu Ke Nuskhe. Look forward to the second episode. Do subscribe to our channel, My Plant My Baby on YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.